This is the plot and is touching the 12 months water where all the rafting activity happens and is a popular destination. See on the map, so many resorts are there in a row. So many tourists come there, the enthusiastic people, and the property is touching this lake. And you are right, this is the kolad where the most popular river rafting happens. This is in Taluka Roha and district Raigad. The entire plot area is 2.5 acres. This is directly touching the water. There are 50 well-grown coconut trees. The age of the trees is more than 20 years. At one end, it is touching the tar roads. The electricity poles are already there in the property. The village is 500 meters. The river rafting point is within 2 to 3 kilometers. Pune is 108 kilometers. Mumbai is 133 kilometer. NH66 Mumbai Goa highway is 13 kilometer from the property. It is ideal for the people who want to build their farmhouse or want to start the resort or adventure tourism, and it is in the vicinity of Mumbai and Pune with great potential. The total 2.5 acres plot will cost you 1 crore just to be given in single lot. So if you feel that it's suitable as per your budget, then call me for the visit. I'll arrange your visit to the property. New people, subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, just give the thumbs up. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Jai Maharashtra.